Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make meat floss. First, select a lean cut of pork or beef, around 2 pounds, ensuring it's suitable for shredding. Next, boil the meat in water with your favorite aromatics like ginger and green onions until it becomes incredibly tender, which usually takes about 1.5 hours. Once cooked, remove the meat and let it cool slightly before shredding it into fine, delicate strands. A stand mixer can make this step much easier. Now, let's add some delicious flavor. In a large pan, combine your shredded meat with a mixture of soy sauce, sugar, and 5-spice powder. Stir-fry this mixture over low heat, continuously, until the meat becomes very dry and develops a fluffy, cotton-like texture. This crucial drying step can take anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes, so patience and constant stirring are key to achieving the perfect meat floss. To achieve that signature flossy texture, keep stir-frying until the meat turns a light golden brown and feels incredibly crispy. For an even finer and fluffier result, you can pulse the dried meat floss in a food processor for very short intervals. It's vital that the meat floss is completely dry. This not only gives it the right texture, but also prevents spoilage and significantly extends its shelf life, allowing you to enjoy it longer. Once your meat floss is perfectly dry and cooled, store it in an airtight container at room temperature. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 2 weeks, making it a convenient snack or topping. You can enjoy this versatile treat over congee, sprinkled on rice, or simply as a savory snack by itself. It's a fantastic way to add flavor and texture to many dishes. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.